Has your DIY become an IDK? Well, FYI, Parker's building division has the blueprint for your home improvement project success. FTF, that's first things first. A permit is needed for almost any project on your property. It could be your shiny new deck, basement finish, adding onto your house, remodels, pools, retaining walls, whatever. We're excited to help you get your project moving. So before breaking ground or picking up that hammer, be sure to contact our staff and see what permits are required. Looking for more Q&A? Our homeowner building classes are a solid foundation to build on. These classes, which are offered a few times a year, give homeowners the opportunity to learn and ask questions about building, mechanical, plumbing, and electrical best practices. Our staff will describe the permitting process, explain fees, and walk you through the inspections required to get the job done right. Of course, be sure to check out the EZ Residential Permits program, where you can schedule a one-on-one meeting to help you sketch out your plan. We'll give you everything you need, including graph paper, pencils, and rulers. BTW, the Homeowner Corner at parkeronline.org has the FAQs about all these services and more. And remember, we're here IRL, so get in touch with our staff through the phone, email, or just swing by Town Hall to get your project off the ground ASAP. All right, TTYL.